Welcome to Budapest, the pearl of the Danube. In this first part of our walking tour, we explore the grand architecture and riverside beauty that define this historic city. We begin at the Hungarian Parliament building, a masterpiece of Gothic revival and one of the world's most beautiful government seats. The surrounding Kossuth Square offers a sense of the city's scale and historical weight. The river is the lifeblood of Budapest, separating the hilly Buda from the bustling Pest. As we walk closer, the intricate carvings and white limestone glow in the early light. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Now, we step onto the Danube Promenade, a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its stunning views. Here we find a poignant reminder of history, the shoes on the Danube bank. These 60 pairs of iron shoes honor the people who were killed by Arrow Cross militiamen during World War II. The river is always active, with cruise ships and river taxis ferrying locals and visitors alike. Parallel to us runs Tramline 2, often cited as one of the most scenic tram routes in the world. To our left, the Gresham Palace stands as a brilliant example of Art Nouveau architecture. We are now approaching the iconic Chain Bridge, the first permanent bridge to link Buda and Pest. The bridge is guarded by magnificent stone lions, legends of the city's resilience. Completed in 1849, it remains a symbol of Hungarian national pride and engineering. Walking across, you can feel the breeze from the Danube and see the city unfold in both directions. The Buda side rises up before us, crowned by the majestic royal palace. The atmosphere changes as we reach the Buda side with its winding streets and historic charm. Looking south, the sleek white Elizabeth Bridge adds a modern touch to the skyline. The splash of yellow from a passing tram is a signature color of Budapest life. Nearby, the Academy of Sciences represents the city's long-standing intellectual heritage. Parks along the river provide a quiet escape from the urban energy. We've reached Clarkadam Square, the zero-kilometer point from which all distances in Hungary are measured. The historic funicular is ready to whisk visitors up to the Castle District. Local shops showcase the vibrant folk art that is still celebrated today. The medieval walls of the castle tell stories of centuries of siege and rebirth. In the distance, the fairy tale towers of Fisherman's Bastion await our next visit. As evening approaches, Budapest transforms into a city of gold and shadows. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Thank you for walking with us in part 1.